Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Nice to meet you all here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fakih Al-Azhar. I am student Polytechnic Ati Makassar, Chemical and Mineral Engineering student. To Miss Ridiana English lecturer, it's a pleasure to be here today. The purpose of this study was to determine whether there is a relationship between cyberbullying and body shaming. Today's presentation topic is the influence of cyberbullying and body shaming on Instagram on the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru. Cyberbullying is the act of negative criticism and judgment via Instagram. Current phenomenon is the rise of body shaming. The presentation topic is very important to you because in today's global era, technological advances make it easier for people to access information quickly and stay informed. When we talk about media, we're referring to the message conveyed to the audience and vice versa. To guide you through my presentation, let me briefly outline in structure. First, I will explain the background of this race. Second, I will explain the methods and procedure I use it in the study. There, I will present the experimental result. Finally, I will conclude based on the research. My presentation will last approximately 10 minutes. I will provide copies of the data and slides at the end of the session. There will be time for question and discussion after my presentation, so please save your question until the end. In this part of the presentation, I would like to discuss the influence of cyberbullying, body shaming on Instagram, social media, on the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru. You will understand how quickly social networks have brought new trend in carrying out bullying action in today's era. Good morning. Thank you all for coming. The aim of this study was to determine whether or not there was an influence of cyberbullying and body shaming in today's global era. Technological advances increasingly facilitate rapid access to information and the ability to stay up to date. When we talk about media, we are referring to message conveyed to an informed audience. Social media is one form of advancement in information and communication technology. The growing popularity of social media allows information to spread easily within society. One result of this new social media in the development of a very popular application called Instagram. Instagram is a social media platform that can be used to upload photos and videos, share information, and even be used as a communication and information tool. The message it wants to convey is the development of social network as a communication tool that is easy to use by anyone and accessible anywhere has created a major phenomenon in the flow of information. Furthermore, the growth of social network has brought a new trend in society as a platform for online cheating, better known as cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a form of negative behavior that accompanies the use of information technology. Cyberbullying or physical violence may be more painful than physical violence. This is where cyberbullying behavior arises, namely insulting and making negative judgment through social media. Let's now move on to the methods used in this research. The method used in this study is quantitative research. Quantitative research methods rely heavily on number in their field data collection techniques. This quantitative research uses an explanatory format. Quantitative research with an explanatory format aims to explain the relationship between two or more symptoms or variables. The conclusion from the research result are in the form of conclusion that describe or connect these variables in the study. The author will examine and explain the influence of cyberbullying and body shaming on Instagram on the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru. Now, let's take a look at the result. Based on the result of this study, the researcher will discuss the result of the study onto the effect of cyberbullying and body shaming on Instagram on the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru. The questionnaire was distributed to respondents in this career women in Pekanbaru who had experienced cyberbullying and body shaming. The questionnaire was shared via a link and then accessible via Google Drive, so respondents could complete it online. The questionnaire was shared via a link and then accessible via Google Drive, so respondents could complete it online. In my opinion, the most important point is sustainability. The result aligns with the theory used by the researcher Morian Stimulus Response (SR) theory. This theory assumes a simple communication process involving only two components. Given the rapid flow of online communication and easy access to information, people also easily obtain negative data. Research on the effect of cyberbullying and body shaming on Instagram on the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru found that the influence was significant but had a low impact. Meanwhile, that brings me to the end of my presentation. Do you have any question? Thank you very much for your attention. I'll be happy to answer any question or hear your feedback. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. I have covered all the main points I wanted to share with you today. Before I stop, let me go over the key issue again. The rapid development of social media has given rise to a new trend in the form of online bullying, or what is better known as cyberbullying. With suggested recommendation. Here are some suggestions the researcher can offer based on the research finding. 1. Cyberbullying and body shaming on Instagram impact the self-confidence of career women in Pekanbaru with an effect of 0.31 or 33.1%. Their social media should be used appropriately and for positive purpose. The researcher hopes to raise public awareness of the issue of cyberbullying, which deserves attention in this digital age to reduce its undesirable impact. To develop communication sense related to the influence of Instagram, it is recommended that further research interested in studying the same topic also examine the influence and conclusion of Instagram use and cyberbullying to understand the relationship and impact on the psychology of career women. This research will be more interesting and engaging if it uses qualitative research. Furthermore, the weaknesses of this study need to be examined. Before finishing the talk, I will give you a link for those of you who want to ask it. Be glad to answer any question you might have. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for all listening. I sincerely appreciate your attention today.